This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need device owner credentials and a recent backup before you begin. First, check Settings right arrow Security right arrow Device Administrators to see if device policy is active. This prevents uninstallation. Once confirmed, sign in to the account that enrolled the device or switch to the work profile. Make sure you're on a stable network and the battery is above 30% so the process won't abort midway. If the app is a work profile app, you'll remove the profile as the next step. Now revoke admin privileges so the app can be uninstalled. Go to Settings, open Device Admin Apps, find Device Policy, and tap Deactivate. You'll be asked why and may need the device owner password. If the device uses a work profile, navigate to Accounts or Users, select the work profile, and choose Remove Profile. This removes management and any corporate apps. Once deactivated, return to the app list, select Device Policy, and choose Uninstall. Make sure you read prompts about data removal. After uninstalling, restart your device to ensure managed services stop running. If the Uninstall button is still disabled, sign out of the enrolled account or remove the enrollment from the MDM console if you have access. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up personal data. This definitely removes device management, but also erases everything. If anything fails, take screenshots of error messages and record steps you tried. That helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.